Minimal visuals become powerful when every frame is placed with intention. Today, how to create minimal frame layouts. Open Canva and start with a blank square canvas. Insert a single rectangular frame and center it precisely using position tools. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting it for a clean composition. Duplicate the frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create a subtle border. Select the background and keep it plain white or very light gray. Add a small text element below using a clean modern font. Align everything carefully and avoid adding unnecessary elements. This minimal framing technique creates a refined and professional design.